welcome to my channel. This video is going to be all about the H816 HELIFAR drone. Now, if you haven't seen this drone, well, it's right there, and it's right there. That's how it looks like when it's all squished up. Let me show you. Yeah, it seems nowadays it's all about the foldable drone craze. Look at this thing. Look at this, how this drone folds up. There's the camera right there. Yeah, look at this. And to unfold it, it's just a matter of twisting it. And then it turns into that right there. Very sci-fi looking. All right, so here's my review of this drone.
All right, we have the H816 down here. Let's flip it open. There's the camera, so I know that's the front. Put that way, power it on. Got some pretty lights. Here we go. I don't have the camera connected with my cell phone. I'll do that when I go outside. Just gonna try it indoors here. And to start the motors, there's this button, and take it up. There we go, let's go up. And let's just cruise around the house. Very easy to fly. Probably one of the easiest drones. Very, 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 very stable. Can do almost anything with this drone. Fly around the house. I'm on first speed. This is first speed and this is full blast. Alright, going this way. Go down the hallway. Take it down that way. Go back over here, and there we go. Let's bring it down for landing. Over here, just to land, all you do is hit the same button right here, and it will come down and land. Let's take it outside. All right, little drone's out here, and I have it connected, so what this here sees is what's on my little video. Let's see how good the video quality is. Let's go up and fly, and let's see if we get anything. We're outdoors. Should see me. How do I look? There's the video. That's how good the camera is, right there. So you tell me how good that quality is. All right, so like most drones, it's got a few rates. This is the indoor rate I'm on right now, which is not very good for outdoors in the wind. It can't really move. Let's speed it up. There we go. Bit more speed. And, oh, there we go. We got 3 rates, so I can go really, really good in the wind. It looks very sci-fi. So the other thing it does, we have here, it also has flippy mode. So it's got to be 3 meters up and flippy mode. Okay, that was a little wild flip. It's closer. I guess I have to have it higher up in the air to flip. And let's bring it down for a nice little landing over here. And, well, that was good. I must have hit the kill switch. Easily one of the coolest looking drones, easily.
So, final thoughts on this here drone? Well, it's actually not too bad, and it's pretty cool. It looks very different, so anybody who has this drone, you know, you're gonna get a lot of questions when you walk around and just flick it. You can even leave it on and flick it like that. You could probably start the motors like that. Never did try it, but I'm sure you could. Wouldn't do anything though, just make a lot of noise. So all in all, not too bad. The camera's okay. Like on all these little drones, the camera's okay. I think it's 720p, but definitely a drone to check out.
And now a quick unboxing of the HELIFAR H816 drone, which looks pretty interesting in design. On the back of the box, it gives us indication that inside the kit I will have 2 batteries. It also says that the battery is a 380 milliamp battery, so that's very small in size. And it shows battery voltage is a 1 cell at 3.7 volts. Inside the box, you get the instructions in multiple languages. Here we have the drone itself and the controller. Taking the drone out of the box for a close-up look, we have the power button right here. These are LED lights. Drone is a very weird shape. You can see there's a camera right here. Battery compartment right there. The battery is a nice square design. It just pops out. You can see it right here. Little connector right here, and there you go. There's a hole right there. So that's going to be for the battery charger. Just plug it in there and charge up your battery. And to unfold the drone, it's quite ingenious. You just spin it like this. Locks into place. Hit the power button. There we go. We have lights. And lights. That's a pretty cool drone. I already like this one. Hopefully it flies well. Quick look at the controller. Nice joysticks, buttons in the front, probably one for flips, one for speeds probably. And on the back, we'll just flip it over. We see that it takes 3 AA batteries. Not included. Also included in the package is your USB charger for the battery, 1 spare battery, so you have a total of 2 batteries, 4 spare props, tiny Phillips screwdriver, attachment for your controller so you can attach your cell phone. Here's the drone, batteries in the drone, plop it down. How much does it weigh? 62 grams.
Check the description below and you'll see the link to the website, and the drone looks like that, and see if it's something you want. Could be a neat gift for Christmas for somebody, because it is different. And if the price isn't too expensive, then it's a really good gift. I don't know what the price is. I don't know if there's coupons. You'll have to check below because I get all this information after I make the video. All right, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, post them below and I'll try to answer them. And we'll catch you in the next video. Take care.